How to choose a profitable niche in 2025? Let's start with the foundation, your niche. Write down 3 areas you know something about or enjoy. For example, maybe you want to cook on Sunday and then have enough to eat all week. Or maybe photography, or I don't know, something you love, like making videos. Whatever it is that you love to do, write down 3 of those things. Step 2, go to YouTube, type your niche idea into the search bar, don't press enter, look at the autocomplete suggestions. These are real questions people are asking, write them down. For instance, make money online. Don't press enter, just look at all the questions people are asking. Step 3, join 3 Facebook groups in that niche. In the group search bar, type help, how do I, or stuck. Copy and paste those questions into a Google Doc. Your goal is to get at least 50 questions. For instance, what we're doing is we're literally finding out what questions people are asking in that niche. This is brilliant. You can also use ChatGPT for this. You can have ChatGPT go to YouTube and search on questions in your niche, like make money online. And ask GPT, I want to know exactly what the questions are. In other words, I don't want GPT to summarize it. I want to know the exact question. So GPT will give you like maybe however many questions you want. Also go to Amazon. Under book reviews, type in your niche. Look at this. Look at the 3-star reviews. I think they go up to 5 stars, but only look at the 3-star reviews. They tell you what's missing. Add those notes to your Word doc. This is literally, people are telling you what's missing in these books, in their niche. They're really just, it's a way of getting questions, and you're going to use all these questions to make videos because you're going to answer these questions. I've been weeks doing this, and most people stop right there, but that's why I'm grateful for this class that I've been taking. I don't have to figure every step out on my own. It actually tells me how to be profitable in 7 days. It shows me how to set up the automations on system.io. So it's systeme.io. The link is below, and you can use that for your automations. Now you can go out and answer questions in your own niche. If you want to know about the class and the business I just mentioned, you can get the Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'll make it available to you. Just go to freedomdailypaybusiness.com. Just put in your email. Check your spam and junk folders so you're sure to get the blueprint. Be sure and watch the video that comes with it. The video will come in an email. It takes you from where you are to earning online without having to quit your job. So I'm actually like building a business while I'm doing everything else in life. But I hope this helps you figure out your niche, figure out what to make videos about. You're just going to be answering all those questions that you got in the steps. I hope this helps you.